Welcome to English Literature, UGC NET. Here we are going to discuss most important questions for UGC NET exam. I hope this session will be helpful for you. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to like and share the video. Let's start. First question. Which Marlowe play is structured around a series of episodic conquests rather than a unified tragic plot? A. Dr. Faustus, B. Edward II, C. Tamburlaine the Great, D. The Jew of Malta. The right answer is option C. Tamburlaine the Great. Next question. In Dr. Faustus, Mephistopheles first appears in response to whose name? A. Lucifer, B. Beelzebub, C. Faustus, D. Jehovah. The right answer is option C. Faustus. Next question. Which Shakespeare play uses a play within the play to confirm guilt? A. Macbeth, B. Hamlet, C. King Lear, D. Othello. The right answer is option B. Hamlet. Next question. The character Barabbas belongs to which Marlowe play? A. Edward II, B. Dr. Faustus, C. The Jew of Malta, D. Dido, Queen of Carthage. The right answer is option C. The Jew of Malta. Next question. Ben Jonson's theory of humours is most clearly dramatized in which play? A. Volpone, B. The Alchemist, C. Every Man in His Humour, D. Bartholomew Fair. The right answer is option C. Every Man in His Humour. Next question. Which Shakespeare tragedy is structurally closest to a revenge play tradition? A. Othello, B. Macbeth, C. Hamlet, D. Antony and Cleopatra. The right answer is option C. Hamlet. Next question. In Volpone, the character Mosca functions primarily as A. moral commentator, B. trickster servant, C. tragic hero, D. legal authority. The right answer is option B. trickster servant. Next question. Which Shakespeare play ends with multiple marriages restoring social order? A. Measure for Measure, B. The Merchant of Venice, C. Much Ado About Nothing, D. As You Like It. The right answer is option D. As You Like It. Next question. Marlowe's heroes are typically characterized by A. Christian humility, B. Collective social identity, C. Overreaching ambition, D. Passive obedience. The right answer is option C. Overreaching ambition. Next question. In The Alchemist, the entire action takes place in A. a court, B. a prison, C. a single house, D. a tavern. The right answer is option C. a single house. Next question. Shakespeare's King Lear draws most directly from which source? A. Holinshed's Chronicles, B. Geoffrey of Monmouth, C. The True Chronicle History of King Lear, D. Plutarch's Lives. The right answer is option C. The True Chronicle History of King Lear. Next question. Which Marlowe play explores homoerotic attachment between a king and his favorite? A. Tamburlaine, B. Edward II, C. Dr. Faustus, D. The Jew of Malta. The right answer is option B. Edward II. Next question. Ben Jonson advocated which classical principle in drama? A. Romantic imagination, B. Medieval allegory, C. Classical unities, D. Gothic sensationalism. The right answer is option C. Classical unities. Next question. Which Shakespeare play contains the line, All the World's a Stage? A. Twelfth Night, B. As You Like It, C. Much Ado About Nothing, D. Measure for Measure. The right answer is option B. As You Like It. Next question. Faustus' final soliloquy primarily expresses A. comic relief, B. intellectual triumph, C. despair and fear of damnation, D. political rebellion. The right answer is option C. despair and fear of damnation. Next question. In Volpone, wealth functions mainly as a symbol of A. divine blessing, B. moral decay, C. political authority, D. social stability. The right answer is option B. moral decay. Next question. Shakespeare's Roman plays are largely derived from which text? A. Livy's History, B. Tacitus' Annals, C. Plutarch's Lives, D. Virgil's Aeneid. The right answer is option C. Plutarch's Lives. Next question. Which Shakespeare play is often classified as a problem play? A. Macbeth, B. Measure for Measure, C. Julius Caesar, D. Romeo and Juliet. The right answer is option B. Measure for Measure. Next question. Marlowe's blank verse is often described as A. restrained and minimal, B. prose-like, C. mighty line, D. lyric couplets. The right answer is option C. mighty line. Next question. In The Alchemist, Sir Epicure Mammon represents A. scientific rationalism, B. greed and sensual excess, C. moral wisdom, D. legal authority. The right answer is option B. greed and sensual excess. Next question. Which Shakespeare tragedy is centered on political legitimacy and power? A. Othello, B. Macbeth, C. Hamlet, D. Romeo and Juliet. The right answer is option B. Macbeth. Next question. Johnson's comedies are best described as A. Romantic comedies, B. Comedy of manners, C. Comedy of humors, D. Farcical romances. The right answer is option C. Comedy of humors. Question for you. The character Mephistopheles ultimately represents A. Absolute evil, B. Comic relief, C. Enslaved suffering, D. Divine justice. Submit the right answer below in the comment box.